Welcome to Tech Pulse, your daily AI news update for March 13th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. Breaking news. Nvidia's biggest AI event starts today. Here are all the major AI stories you need to know right now. How to watch Jensen Huang's Nvidia GTC 2026 keynote. The GPU Technology Conference kicks off today, marking Nvidia's most important annual event, where we expect major announcements about next-generation AI chips and partnerships. This keynote typically sets the tone for the entire AI hardware industry for the coming year, with potential reveals about Blackwell successor architectures or new data center solutions. Viewers can watch live through NVIDIA's official channels to see what direction the company is pushing the entire AI ecosystem. Sales automation startup RoxAI hits $1.2 billion valuation, sources say. RoxAI has reached unicorn status with its AI-native CRM alternative, demonstrating continued investor confidence in specialized AI business tools despite market fluctuations. Founded just 2 years ago by a former New Relic executive, the company's rapid valuation growth suggests enterprises are actively seeking to replace traditional customer relationship management systems with more intelligent, automated solutions. This valuation milestone reflects the broader trend of AI-first companies disrupting established software categories with more adaptive, data-driven approaches. Improve operational visibility for inference workloads on Amazon Bedrock with new CloudWatch metrics for TTFT and estimated quota consumption. AWS has introduced crucial monitoring capabilities for developers using Amazon Bedrock, specifically time to first token and estimated TPM quota usage metrics in CloudWatch. These new tools allow teams to better understand model performance latency and manage their token consumption against allocated quotas, addressing two common pain points in production AI deployments. This represents Amazon's continued focus on making their AI services more observable and manageable at scale, which is essential as more companies move beyond experimentation to running critical workloads on these platforms. Introducing account regional namespaces for Amazon S3 general purpose buckets. Amazon S3 now offers account regional namespaces, a significant architectural change that simplifies bucket creation and management as data storage needs scale. This feature allows organizations to create buckets within their own dedicated namespace per region, reducing naming conflicts and improving organizational structure for cloud storage. For AI workloads that often involve massive datasets, this enhancement provides better management capabilities for the training data and model artifacts that power machine learning systems. Secure AI agents with policy in Amazon Bedrock Agent Core. Amazon Bedrock Agent Core now includes policy features that create a deterministic enforcement layer operating independently of the agent's own reasoning processes. This security enhancement allows developers to implement guardrails and constraints that ensure AI agents operate within defined boundaries, regardless of their internal decision-making. As AI agents become more autonomous in business environments, these policy controls are essential for maintaining security, compliance, and predictable behavior in production systems. Facebook Marketplace now lets Meta AI respond to buyers' messages. Meta has expanded its AI capabilities to Facebook Marketplace, allowing sellers to use automated responses generated from their listing information when buyers inquire about items. This integration uses details like product descriptions, availability, and pickup locations to craft contextually appropriate replies, streamlining communication for casual sellers. This represents another step in Meta's strategy of embedding AI across its ecosystem, moving beyond social interactions into practical commerce applications. Tinder tries to lure people back to online dating with IRL events, virtual speed dating. Tinder is undergoing a major platform revamp that combines in-person events, virtual speed dating, and AI enhancements to re-engage users and attract younger demographics. This hybrid approach represents a significant shift from purely app-based interactions to blended digital physical experiences, with AI likely powering better matching algorithms and conversation tools. The move suggests dating platforms are adapting to changing user preferences post-pandemic, where digital fatigue has made purely virtual connections less appealing to some segments. Atlassian follows Block's footsteps and cuts staff in the name of AI. Atlassian has laid off approximately 1,600 employees, representing 10% of its workforce, as the company reallocates resources toward AI development and integration. This follows similar workforce reductions at Block and other tech companies repositioning themselves around artificial intelligence capabilities. These restructuring moves highlight the ongoing industry transformation, where established software companies are making painful adjustments to compete in an AI-first landscape, often at significant human cost. iPhone Fold layout, XAI plus Tesla, fixing JavaScript time. Today's Industry Digest covers multiple tech developments, including Apple's ongoing foldable phone designs, potential integrations between Elon Musk's XAI and Tesla's autonomous systems, and technical improvements to JavaScript's time handling capabilities. These stories collectively show how hardware innovation, AI convergence, and foundational software improvements are progressing simultaneously across the technology sector. The foldable device developments are particularly relevant as flexible displays create new form factors that could influence how we interact with AI assistants and applications. AI actor Tilly Norwood put out the worst song I've ever heard. An AI-generated musical artist named Tilly Norwood has released a song described by critics as particularly unconvincing, featuring lyrics that awkwardly address the experience of being an artificial intelligence. This release highlights the ongoing challenges in creating authentic artistic expression through purely synthetic means, especially when attempting to convey experiences fundamentally different from human existence. The song serves as a case study in the current limitations of AI creativity when venturing beyond technical imitation into genuine emotional or experiential communication. Conclusion and key takeaways. Today's AI landscape shows rapid evolution on multiple fronts, from Nvidia's hardware announcements and AWS's developer tools to Meta's practical applications and the human impact of industry restructuring. The common thread is AI's continued integration into every layer of technology, from infrastructure to end-user experiences. Don't forget, if you found this AI News Roundup helpful, please subscribe for daily updates and hit the like button to help others discover this content. Share your thoughts on today's stories in the comments below.